subscribe to my channel. Okay, so we're gonna hop into this video. If you are a current subscriber, I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you so much. Without you guys, this channel would be absolutely nothing. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting on? Come on now. If you like DIYs and like a beautiful home, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become a member of this channel. Now, I got this idea from, she did something very similar, but she did it in a smaller model with this. I have that one, but I want to use this one instead. So I'm going to put this one to the side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this glass over. And this is going to go on the top. And then we're going to put this vase on top of, and flowers are going to go in there. But before we do this, I'm going to spray paint this silver, and I'm going to spray paint these to a French beige color. So let me go ahead and spray paint these, and I'll be right back. And this is how this is looking. The first time when I painted this glass, it looked horrible on the inside. So I removed the paint and spray painted it again. Now it looks better. So I'm going to go ahead and get this finished up. Now I am gluing this to the top of the glass. And I'm using Elmer's Craft Bond. I'm going to switch to this instead of this fix-all adhesive from the Dollar Tree, because this has a strong smell and it's bothering me. This doesn't have a smell at all, and I get this from Walmart. I think it's like $2.37 or $2.39. Of course, that is not level. But most of the time when I put the top piece on, it levels it out for some reason. And then I've got these little adhesive strips that I got from a local dollar store here that I'm just going to put around to kind of cover that seam up. Whenever I'm doing something, I try my best to make it look like it's store-bought instead of homemade. So it has just a little gap in it. But look at that. That is beautiful. I'm going to let this dry, then I'm going to come back and add the top vase on. Now if the base is dried, I'm going to go ahead and add this vase on top of this. I don't know how that manages to level out or almost level out when it doesn't start out that way. I'm going to let this dry and I'll be back to add the flowers inside. And here is the finished look. with the flowers. And that is the whole base. Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting this channel. You all have a blessed day.